Okay, since tapos na ako sa Treasure Scents video ko, I think I have to make a top 10 list since I have more than 10. So anyways, these are my top 10 of Treasure Scents fragrances. Top 10 on the list is I have here the Eros Flame. I really like this kasi nga lang ang bilis lang talaga mawala. The projection is good. The longevity nga lang is kinda bad. It lasts around 2 to 3 hours lang. On my number 9 spot, I have here my Lanvin Eclat. I have a love and hate relationship with the Lanvin Eclat since, marami mas better na Lanvin Eclat. But if you're looking for an Eclat ng Treasure Scents, then it's also good. 80% closeness, the projection is good, and then yung longevity niya is kinda same with the Eros Flame na 2 to 3 years lang. So, don't expect a lot. Number 8 on our list is the Sauvage. Yes, alam ko medyo malayo siya sa OG na Dior Sauvage. So nga lang, I really like the lemon scent. It smells like lemonade, so I kinda like it. Medyo malayo siya sa OG pero okay na rin, bearable. And then yung longevity niya is nagtatagal siya sa akin ng 3 to 4 hours, so it's kinda good. It's better than the Eros Flame and Eclat, and I think the projection is kinda good as well. Not that loud pero okay na rin siya. For the number 7 spot, I have here Sauvage Elixir. Yes, alam ko medyo malayo siya sa OG na Sauvage Elixir. Pero if you're looking for a good budget Sauvage Elixir Aspire, then Treasure Scents give you a Sauvage Elixir good. The only problem with this one is yung longevity niya compared to the other Sauvage Elixir is medyo mabilis mawala. Around 3 to 4 hours lang compared to others. Pero I think this is already a good one since medyo mura lang siya. Surprise, surprise! For the number 6 spot, we have Hill Ultra Male. Nung una, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Pero so far, nung second batch, nagustuhan ko na siya. And okay na rin siya for an Ultra Male na medyo cheap. So, diyang wag lang mag-expect na sobra. Longevity niya, 3 to 4 hours lang din. Yung production niya is kinda good. Hindi siya loud. I think it's above average. So, I guess it's already good for its price. For the number 5 spot, we have here Bleu de Chanel. Medyo hindi malapit sa OG, pero okay na rin. 80% closeness. The longevity is good. The projection is good. So far, meron siyang Epis note. So, I think it's already good. Next would be their Invictus. Alam ko, hindi ito yung Invictus na OG. I think this is the Invictus Victory. If I'm correct? Yes, I think yes. So this one is more chocolatey, so that is Invictus Victory. Not Invictus na Invictus. So I guess this is already good. The longevity on this one is 3 to 4 hours lang din. The projection is kinda above average, similar with the BDC. For my number 3, I have here TF Fabulous. This one smells like sweet almond nutty scent. I really like this one since I like sweet scents na medyo iba, medyo gourmand. And I don't know if that's how TF Fabulous really smells, pero for the TS, I like this one. And also the longevity and projection is kinda above average na rin. And for the number 2 spot, I have here 1 million. Hindi siya ganun kalapit sa OG na 1 million, pero for me, as a scent, it's already good compared to other 1 million scent. I think this one is more wearable and this one is more mass appealing compared to the other 1 million. The longevity on this one is also good, around 4 to 5 hours sa akin, and then the projection niya is kinda above average, so I guess it's already good. And last but not the least, I have here Johnson's Baby Powder ng Treasure Scents. I'm surprised on this one. I really like it. It really smells like a dried powder ng Johnson's. So yeah, this is my top one. This is my favorite. So wala kayo pa doon, favorite ko yun. But yeah, I can recommend this if naghanap ka ng good fragrance. Treasure Scents already have this Johnson's Baby Powder. And so far, it's already good. So yun lang, disclaimer lang, that is my list. So, kanya-kanya tayong experience. So, if isa ka sa mga Treasure Scents owners, ano nga ba yung mga favorite mo sa Treasure Scents? How is your experience? And sana makatulong sa mga ibang buyers yung video na to and yung mga comments ninyo para, alam din nila yung in-expect nila sa isang Treasure Scents. Ayun lang, sana nakatulong sa inyo sa pagbili ng Treasure Scents. As always, peace!